Oh yeah, man. Give me 2 more. Lean forward, lean forward. Ah, that's crazy. All right, give me 1. This is your photo op. Smile. Ooh, look. Mary the photo dog is out to visit with us too. It's a special occasion. Give me 2 more. Give me 2, pal, together. Get down. Pals up. Stop clapping, Fred. Ain't that funny? Floor disappeared back here. I was falling down. Get down. Don't tumble out here. Well, you're welcome to giggle and laugh a lot. Oh no, I went into the eddy almost. I might have known it now. Give me 2. Oh no, it's Powerhouse. Don't fall out here either. Backwards, 2, backwards. Get your guide soaked. Oh, this is going to be very silly. That's the Powerhouse. That last rabbit's really imaginative name calling it Powerhouse, huh? Well, thank you for so much for coming, pal, with OAC, and thank you for coming back, pal, with OAC, and ended up in my raft. That's really cool, twice. If you guys want some video clips from today's silliness, all you gotta do is go over to the booth where you got your temperature taken and get an envelope out, write fast Fred on the top of it, then write August 6th, 2 p.m. and put an email address or 2, but write the email address very clearly. Okay, I don't have my reading glasses. I keep forgetting them. But if if the letters are big enough to read from this distance, I'll be okay. Cool. If these videos make you want to come rafting, consider rafting with me, Fast Fred. Check out the URL on the screen right now. I will appreciate you. I will show you a good time, and I'll do my best to keep you safe. So bring it on down to the Ocoee and let's have some fun. Looking forward to seeing you.